Hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is working fine on your side, and everyone is ready to learn a new strategy. In fact, we have talked about this strategy multiple times, but this is like one of, you can consider it's very easy strategy also we are used to talk about. And in today's session, I will be explaining that how you can apply this strategy manually, how you can use it, what is the set of rule, and we will try to do some tweak and twist, like we will try to make it like a customized strategy, you can say also, so that we can try to get some more confirmation. So the name of the strategy is Millennium. I will be explaining how this strategy works and what is the set of rule. Apart from that, different mindset like money management, risk management, how you can set up take profit, how you can decide that what is going to be your stop loss. So I will be explaining that also. So in case if you will be having any doubt, question, query during the session, comment section is already active. Make sure you take full benefit of that one. You talk to me whatever the difficulties you are facing with the trading. And if any one of you has used this strategy in the past, feel free to share your doubts, your feedback about this strategy, whether you were able to make profit or not. So anything, because that will help me to help you in a better way. At the same time, if something is working better for you, something is working fine for you, then of course that will motivate some other traders also. So before we'll kick off today's session, again I want to just request you, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the community, so whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to connect with us, because on this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, whichever you are comfortable with, you can join as per that. Now traders, just confirm me in the comment section if audio and video is all set, so that I can kick off the session and we can start talking about the today's technical. Let me check in my device also, so that I can confirm, and at the same time I can see that okay, so far everything is looking fine. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's kick off the session and let's talk about the strategy first. So the name of the strategy, which I have already mentioned multiple times, is the Millennium. For that, all we just need to go to the technical analysis. I'll just scroll down, and second strategy of advanced level is Millennium. Once I click on that one, a new screen is going to be visible. In that one, what exactly we need to work on, what are the things we are focusing on, a small description video is going to be there, which can be helpful in future, like in case if you miss something, if you skip something. Hello Carlos, I hope you are doing good, buddy. So everything is going to be visible there. For now, you do not need to bother yourself, because I will be explaining everything, but in future if you want, you can take a help from here itself. Or what I will be doing, the session which we are conducting today, I will just save it in the English playlist. Once I'll click on enable strategy, so in this one we are going to use two basic things: high Kanashi candles and detrended price oscillator, which we call DPO. Once I'll click on enable strategy, a complete setup is going to be visible on my screen. Balaji, very good evening. Hello. Okay, now let's talk about the strategy, that how exactly it works. But before that, there is one important point for those traders, those who haven't reached on advanced level so far. Now traders, no need to buy the strategy, because this can be applied manually also. You just need to change the candle time frame, candle type from Japanese or area chart or whichever you are using to high Kanashi, and at the same time just apply the trended price oscillator with the frequency of 10. Once you apply both of them, click on these three dots, click on save strategy, next, and your strategy will be ready to be used for free. Now this information, make sure you apply it, because no need to buy the strategy, this can be applied for free as well. Okay, now let's talk about the strategy rule. Two basic confirmation we will be looking forward for. As you might be aware that the beauty of high Kanashi candle, what exactly it is: red candle, market can move downward; green candle, market can move upward. Very easy. First confirmation from the candles itself. Now let's talk about the second confirmation, which is the DPOD, trended price oscillator. So if you try to focus on that one, so there is a zero level, and you might be observing that sometimes these bars are appearing below zero and sometimes above zero. So again, they are going to indicate in the same direction. If the bars are below zero, market can move downward. If above zero, market can move upward. That's it. Now all we just need to look forward for these two confirmation together. Once we will be getting that one, then we will be trying to grab that opportunity and we will open a trade. So just a time frame is 1 minute for the chart, and 2 to 3 candle trade time is going to be there. Now once you will start grabbing hold on this strategy, then you can use another set of rule also, that when the bar length of DPO is maximum. Now for an example, if you missed this signal, then you can try to open your open another position on the maximum length of DPO. So in case if you have missed your first signal on this one, then you can try to open another trade on this candle also, or on this candle, because if you observe, then the candle length was maximum. But initially start with the basic and then start moving to the advanced setup. Okay, I hope everything is clear, but still, in case if you will be having any doubt, comment section is already there. Of course, I will be doing some live action also. I will be using this strategy in front of you. So in case if you will be having any doubt question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So 1 minute chart time frame I have already applied. I have also changed the trade time frame to 2 candle. We will try to take a couple of trades, and of course, as I have mentioned, that we can try to add some more set of rules or more technicals to get a couple of more confirmations. So just stay connected, I will be explaining that also. Let me just open at least 1 or 2 trades, and then I will be coming back to the comment section, because I can see that so many comments are already there and some traders are asking a few doubts and questions. Okay, so this one looks good. Let's try to take first trade on this one. So first trade we have executed on gold OTC. Let's check on NZD USD OTC if we are getting any confirmation. There was a very nice signal, but we are quite late. Now traders, you need to focus on one more thing, that do not take a trade on like a signal can be there, or signal will be there, or signal might be there. So do not take trades on such assumptions. Just wait for the confirmation. If confirmation is there, then take the trade. That's it. Okay, so USD CHF, just a moment. Okay, so let's look forward for Dodge. And set of rule is going to be remain same irrespective of the strategy, irrespective of the asset. Set of rule for the strategy is going to be remain same. Okay, so let's see. So we have already 3 trades in the pipeline. Let me take a few comments, so we have to take care. Okay, so Anshi saying, say I lost my 5,600 in 3 days. This amount is my saving. Now Ansh, understand one thing. This is basically for every trader. Now traders understand one thing, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So considering that thing, make sure you invest enough time to learn about the market. Every one of us, we want to make quick money, we want to grow in our life, but make sure that trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. And Ansh, specifically for you, as you mentioned that you have, that was your entire savings, so try to recover it slowly and gradually. Just start moving, like once you learn about the market first, and then start making some recoveries. And in upcoming future, make sure that you have a set target, whether it is for your profit, whether it is for your loss, which we call take profit and stop loss. I will try to explain it in a better way also. Just stay connected. Okay, then Yogesh is there. Hello sir, deposited money 8 days ago but not credited in my ID, cancelled from transaction, please sir solve problem. Yogesh, nothing to worry, just connect with the support team. Just drop an email to support-en@olymptrade.com. just share the screenshot with them, and they will be taking care of everything. No need to bother about the status, whether it's showing cancel, failed, declined, anything. That could be because of any reason, like internet is slow, server was down, or because of any reason. Just connect with the support team, they will be taking care of everything. I haven't received Rishabh, which I believe in the last session there was some another trader who won the RFD, or was that you? Are you talking about my session in which you were supposed to get the RFT, or the yesterday's session? I think Hemant conducted that one. Just please confirm me that. Rathod ji, hello. Yes, Carlos, irrespective of the chart time frame, irrespective of the timing of the day, irrespective of the asset, you can use it any moment. But you need to make sure that when you are going to start your day, just make sure you analyze the market if everything is working fine, and then you will be starting taking some trades. And you can do one more thing. So whenever the market is moving from one time zone to another time zone, like from Asian session to London session, or from London session to US market, like for an example, now at 7 p.m. Indian Standard, US market is about to open, and then we can expect some market volatility. At the same time, today NFP non-farming payroll data is about to be there. Like last time that was somewhere around 172k, and this time we are expecting that should be somewhere around like 65k. Now let's see if the data is going to be more than forecast, less than that one, then how exactly the market will react. Rishabh, just confirm me, like whether you were supposed you are talking about the session which was conducted by Hemant yesterday. Is that the one? Just confirm me that, please. Okay, hello to everyone. Hello. Withdrawal shown as sent 2 days ago, but money has not received in my bank account. Okay, sir, guys, let me share one quick information. Now see, this session is basically to be focused for trading part only, trading concerns, because I am from a VIP department, and the major hold we have that is regarding the trading. So if you have any concern regarding your deposit withdrawal verification account related question, just connect with the support team, support-en@olymptrade.com, and then they will be taking care of everything. Okay, and Abdullah ji, so as you mentioned that you haven't received your withdrawal in your bank account, make sure your bank details should be correct. One second thing, once you make a withdrawal request via IMPS, so 24 hours to 5 working days, that is a processing time unit which is taken by your bank. Different payment methods, they have their own specific processing time window. So make sure if the amount is within that time frame, just wait, just stay calm, just make sure that details are correct, you will be getting everything. But if it is beyond that one, just connect with the support team, they will be taking care of. That's why I invest 30 only on your monthly income. Bro, I am a professional thumbnail designer. If you want, I will make it for you. Thank you so much, Gen Z Make. Thank you so much for that. In case if in future if we need your help, then of course I will bother you for sure. Okay, hello. So withdrawal didn't came. Anish, again requesting you, just connect with the support team. Brother, help me with the 100 euros. I have a problem. I am so sorry. Entertainment 958. I wish I could help you with that one, but unfortunately I can only help you with the technicals, how exactly these works and these things. But unfortunately I will not be able to give you any financial help. Okay, so far we have taken 3 trades, 2 trades were negative. That's not good enough. Okay, so market even moved in our favor, but after that there was a reversal and we just made a loss. Let me analyze the another trade also. And that can happen, traders. Like there are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, that you should not invest your whole capital in a single trade. Apart from that, all the trades I have taken, I will be taking in the future during this session. Everything is going to be depend on my skill set. I will be the responsible one for them. And the last and most important thing, now I am going to open back-to-back trades. I am going to try to use different assets, but you need to focus on one thing. There is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds. And this you can observe. Just apply a 1 minute chart time frame and then check on YouTube screen and on your platform that how much time gap is there. Then you will be able to conclude that what exactly is the time gap. The reason why I am telling you this thing, that please avoid doing a copy trading, because that can lead to some delay in opening position and that can lead to some negative results also. At the same time, of course, as I mentioned, 100% accuracy is not promised at all, so we need to focus on that. Okay, so traders, keep these things in your mind, and then now we will move ahead. Traders, whatever the doubts you will be having, feel free to write me in the comment section. Please do not spam your comments so that I will be able to, you know, take care of all the comments, and at the same time, of course, I will be doing some live action. I will be shuffling my card, and wherever I will be finding any opportunity, I will be opening a trade. And okay, now let's talk about this part also, that as I have mentioned that we can use different set of rules also to make this strategy customized. So let's try with the first. We can try with stochastic first. I will explain that one, and after that I might apply volume indicator also. Let me just give you a quick insight about that how stochastic works. So in this one, there are major two levels: overbought zone, oversold zone. So whenever the market will be breaching any one of them, at that moment we can expect some price correction. Price correction means if the market is keep on moving up, market can change the direction and move downward. If the market is keep on moving downward, market can switch it to upward. Now why I am using this one? Now for an example, if I am getting any confirmation like this one that the market can move downward direction, but at the same time market is already in the oversold zone, then I will not pick that signal. I will just wait quickly for a couple of seconds or a couple of candles for the reversal. So then that will help you for a second confirmation. Now DPO is a trend following indicator. At the same time, if I'll talk about the stochastic, that is a counter trend tool. So that is the reason that we have used two different directions, so that we will be able to cover up. Now, as I mentioned that when the DPO length is maximum, you can try to open a trade in the same direction. But now I can find that market is already in the oversold zone, so market can switch the direction at any moment, so we will avoid it. So this is something which you can also opt. We will try to open at least one or two more trades in the same time duration. In case if things will go fine, good to see. Otherwise we might change our trade time frame to 3 candles, and that is the reason that I have mentioned that we can open a trade from 2 to 3 candles. Okay, so on Bitcoin OTC we have opened our next trade. There was a very nice signal, but we missed that one. No worries. Bitcoin last trade was not positive. There was a reversal at a okay. I am expecting that market might bounce back. Okay, so let's have a look on this one. Nothing so far. Let's move to Ripple. Okay, we can expect a opportunity sooner or later on the basis of stochastic. Now this strategy is something like a customized strategy right away, because if you will apply it manually, then you can add this one, or once you will apply this strategy from the strategy part, and then after that you can add this one, stochastic. Okay, so let's keep on shuffling our cards. There was a very nice signal. We missed this one because see, both the confirmations were there. Market was moving in the upward direction, back to back green candles were there. DPO was also in the upward direction, and we can also find that stochastic was also coming back from oversold. So in fact we were having 3 confirmation, but we are late, so we will not try to catch any running bus or running trend, because that can also lead to some negative results. Traders, you need to make sure that whenever you are executing any trade, it's not about opening the trade, it's always about opening the trade at the correct moment. So sometime you might be early, sometime you might be late. So any of these situations, just avoid taking that trade. Once the signal is there, confirmation is there, you are available on that specific asset, then open the trade. That's the best advice which I can give you. Okay, so AUD CAD was negative, Bitcoin OTC was a positive. Okay, no, this one we have already analyzed. This one is looking fine, Ethereum so far. Let's have a look on this one. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me take a few more comments. Okay, brother, help me to get sir, signal group join karwa do. Arif, there are no such groups where we are sharing, we are giving any sort of signals or anything like that, because the reason behind that one, we are always trying to tell you that how exactly technicals are working. The reason behind, because once like for an example, if you will be added to a so and so group where we are sharing some signals, but you are not available at that time, or we provided some signals but you were not able to grab that one, or you need to trade at that specific time window when we are not providing signal, then how you are going to survive. So that is the reason that learn the technicals, practice it on your demo, and then start taking your trade. Rishabh, thank you so much for the confirmation. I'll check with Hemant and I'll make sure that you will be getting your RFTs shortly. Nothing to worry about that. Okay, Balaji requesting you again, just connect with the support team. I'm so sorry it took so much time, but just connect with them, they will be taking care. Okay, so what else we have? How is yellow indicator MACD histogram or demarker? So Parin, this yellow indicator, that is a DPO, it's a detrended price oscillator. It's with the frequency of 10. So it's a DPO, detrended price oscillator. Okay, so we took a couple of trades. All trade went like back to back. 3 trades were positive, a few were negative. So things are getting better. Let's try to track a few more. Can I make daily 2K? See, Anis Park, that is completely fine. You can make it, but make sure whenever you are trading, you have a set of rule. Like as you mentioned that 2K, that is your take profit. Completely fine. Now understand one thing, every day is not Diwali, every day is not Christmas, every day is not Eid also. Then of course every day is not going to be profit. There might be some days when you will be making some losses. So if you have a take profit, like how much you are going to make in a day, make sure you have a stop loss also, because it's your money, it's your account. Then that should be your decision, that how much you are going to make in a day and how much you are going to lose in a day. Okay, so respecting that thing, make sure you have a stop loss also. Let me just give you a quick calculation also. I can give you calculation in dollar and INR, both of them. So in whichever currency you are trading, or whether it is euro, you can act accordingly. So this is the way I am doing. You can change your calculation also, that is completely up to you. So how exactly I am doing? So if my take profit is less than 10,000 or $100, I'm repeating my again, if my take profit is less than $100 or 10,000, then my stop loss is 60 to 70%. If I'll increase more than 10,000 or $100, then it will be 50 to 60. Now you need to understand one more thing. 50 to 60% or 60 to 70%, that is not the percentage which you are going to calculate on your capital. That is the percentage you are going to calculate on your take profit. Now let me elaborate it again. Now for an example, if my take profit is $100, or let's assume $100, okay, and I want to make 60% as a stop loss. So 100 into 60%, which is a $60. So $60 is going to be my stop loss, $100 is going to be my take profit, or $70 is my stop loss, $100 is going to be my take profit. Now sometime what exactly happens, so majority of the time, like if a trader made a deposit of, let's assume $200, so what he will do, my take profit is $100, my stop loss is 60% of $200, which is $120. So by that, what you have concluded, that if I will be making money, I will be making 100, if I will be losing money, I will be losing 120. So of course, even though if you will make profit on one day, loss on second day, again profit on one day, loss on second day, then that is going to lead your P&L in a negative direction. But if you will do the reversal, then it will act as the way you want to do. And this is something which every trader should focus on, or they should rely on. Okay, so as you mentioned that if it is 2000 INR, then you can keep your stop loss somewhere around 1500 to 1700, and then you can act accordingly. And at the same time, when you have a stop loss, then like for an example, if my stop loss is $100 or $70, then of course I am not going to take 7 trades each trade for $10. I am not going to trade like we can assume like 14 trades each trade for $5. I will try to use my capital for as long as possible. And the best way to do that one, that I will start with the minimum amount and I will start growing it in case if it is required. but also while using my money management. If everything is clear, traders, Anish, specifically to you, because you are the one who asked this question, just let me know in the comment section. Still, if any doubt is there that, sir, what should be the trade amount, what should be the risk management, what is the money management, if you want to ask about anything, just feel free to write me in the comment section. I will be taking care of that. Okay, so I'm expecting that there can be signals shortly, but the reason that we can see that stochastic is moving parallel to this overbought zone, market is trying to move in the downward direction, but you know, sometimes buyers, they are trying to grab or to hold the same price, or sometimes sellers, they are not ready to sell, or they want to grow the profit. So these things happens. No worries, no worries. We will keep on shuffling our cards. And traders, this is something which you can also opt. You can also follow this setup, that rather than staying stuck on a specific asset, keep on shuffling your cards, because there is a possibility that on one asset signal is not there, but that might be there on the another one. So rather than staying stuck on one and taking a trade on a random signal, why not to move to the another one and look forward for another signal, and then click on up or down on a confirmation, not on an assumption or on a fluke. Okay, let's see. There was a signal, but we missed this one. Let's see, let's check. Okay, so the last trade was positive. CAD CHF, let's see on chart. Market is quite close, so we can expect that market can move in our favor. No worries, we will keep on shuffling, and let's do one thing. Let's take a few more comments. And traders requesting again, Arif, please do not spam your comment. I know everybody want to know about their doubts. I completely respect that. I have spared this 1 hour only for you. So make sure once you write anything, of course I will be coming to your comment. In case if you feel that your comment is already like I have already left your comment and I have moved to the next comment, then you can paste it again. Okay. Samarji, I wish I could help you in Hindi in today's session, but today's communication is basically for the English speaking community. So if you are more comfortable with Hindi, Urdu, this is for everyone. So on the same channel, we are conducting sessions in Hindi and Urdu also, and the timing for those sessions is going to be 4 to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and the days are Tuesdays and Thursdays. So every Tuesday, Thursday in Hindi, Urdu, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English, we are conducting sessions there. And apart from that, if anyone is comfortable with some another language like Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, Indonesian, like these one, so we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So whichever you are comfortable with, you can explore as per that one. Pallaji, Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Mahakal. I hope you are doing good. So if you are comfortable with any of another language, feel free to join as per that. At the same time, whatever the sessions we are conducting, like if I have conducted one session today, so that will be available in the playlist tomorrow, so you can explore it there as well. So all the sessions, whether it's me, my colleagues, whatever we have conducted in the past also, everything is available with the challenge name or with the strategy name, so you will be able to explain everything, like why I'm explaining it everything, Samaji. So if today I'm talking about Millennium strategy, so I'm sure that either me or some of my colleague, they have talked about the same strategy in Hindi. So just go to the Hindi playlist, just scroll it a bit, and you will be finding the Millennium strategy as well. Okay, so sir, which chart type, candle, Heiken-Ashi or bar? We should use fixed time trading, 5 seconds to 1 minute. Gauravji, see, that is completely depending on the technical you are using. Majority of time I am using a Japanese candle. The reason why I am using Japanese more as compared to the Heiken-Ashi, let me give you both the scenarios. So in the Heiken-Ashi, you will be getting a confirmation with the help of the color that what could be the direction of the market, but in Heiken-Ashi that will be a bit hard for you to draw support or resistance level. At the same time, if I'll talk about now, next candle will start from the mid of this body, even though doesn't matter. Now see, it started from here, even the price was here. So that's how the Heiken-Ashi candles are formed. So codes are exact same, but the formation is quite different, so sometimes it is very difficult to draw support or resistance. At the same time, if you are using Japanese candle, then there are going to be 3 or 4 more confirmation, which you can call it as price action, you can follow. First one, always trade in trending market. Second one, you can consider candle pattern. Third one, you can consider chart pattern. And the fourth and the most important is support and resistance. So you will be able to draw a support line or resistance line, like just for an idea that if you are using it for a very short time frame, you can draw a line, but if you are using it for a longer time duration, then that would be better if you will, you know, highlight a support or resistance area. So you can use a rectangular, or like you can use 2 lines, and you can mark that this could be a support area or resistance area, that from there either market can move bounce back, or that will breach. So but again, I'll suggest one thing, like if you want to trade for 1 minute or 30 seconds or more than that one, that is completely fine. But if you want to use it for 5 seconds, I'll suggest try to pick a better time duration, because shorter the time duration, higher the risk can be there, and higher the risk, of course, that can lead to some more negative. Okay, so CAD CHF was a negative. Market went in our favor also, but after that market changed the direction. No worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. Let's have a look on USD. Okay, let me change the time frame to 2 minutes again. Okay, so we'll start hunting again. Just give me a quick moment. Okay, so just 1 second, traders. Okay, so okay, so I was just trying to have a look on USD data, and that went negative, and that could be the reason that there was a big red candle. So we were expecting, like the non-farming payroll forecast was 126 last month, 58k was the forecast, and this time the data published as negative 920k, 92k, sorry, 92k, I said 920, 92k. So that could be the reason that the market showed some red candles. No worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. Okay, so let me just fix everything again the way we were doing, so that we can continue our session. Okay, so I'll start hunting again. I'll start moving to different assets, and we will follow the same approach. It's already 7, so we can expect some sudden volatilities, but nothing to worry about that one. Okay, no signals so far. Market is trying to move in the overbought zone. Let's try to keep the things simple. And traders, if you didn't understand that why I am using stochastic, or what is the purpose of that one, you can ask me. Now understand one more thing, that it's not always about that you will be applying multiple technicals and you will be getting more confirmation. Sometime if you will overload your chart, that can create some confusions for you also, that whether I should follow this one or I should follow that one, and that can delay in taking a trade. So make sure you use enough, but not too much, not too less. Or you can do one more thing, that whenever you are using any technicals, or if you are going to collab too, so make sure one is the trend following, the another one is a counter trend, so you will be able to grab a hold from both the sides. Like that doesn't make any sense that you are using 3 indicators which are trend following, 4 indicators which are trend reversal, and of course that is going to create so much lines on your screen. Sometimes when I am applying MACD also, I am using only the MACD intersection with the 0 level. I am just even hiding the MACD line and the signal line also, just to keep the thing simple and just to try to grab a. Okay, so 2 confirmation even from the stochastic itself and from the DPU. even though we entered this trade a bit late, but let's try. And traders, you can focus on one more part, that whenever I am taking trades, so you might have observed that I am just keep on opening my positions back to back, because I have to show you that how exactly this trade might go negative. So sometime I am just keep on opening back to back trades, because I have a foundation that I need to show you that how technicals work, what set of rule I have picked, on what basis I have taken that trade. But with you, there are no such complication, there are no such obligations. So just take one trade, wait for the result. If things are going fine, good to see. You want to increase your capital, invested capital, that is completely fine, makes sense. Use your money management. If the trade was a negative, no worries. Let's use your risk management, reduce the capital, analyze the that specific trade, what was the mistake, whether you have entered incorrectly, whether you were early, whether you were late, whatever the reason was there, try to have a just quick look on that specific trade, because that is going to work in two ways. First one, you will get some information. Second one, you will be able to relate with that loss. Once you will observe that one, then you will be able to relate that, okay, I have made a loss, that now I have to fix this. That is not going to create pressure on your mind, but that will be it will be like waking you up that you have made that mistake, so you need to avoid that. But if you will just keep on clicking up down up down up down, you don't know what exactly was there, whether you were supposed to fix your trade time frame, whether you were supposed to fix your entry time frame, whether you were supposed to take care of support or resistance, or whatever the set of rule was there. If you have missed something, you will be able to grab only once you will observe that. Okay, so Ashok Sharma ji saying, sir, I have made a withdrawal but yet not credited. My bank account already gone 2 days. What I do now? Please tell me and help me with further process. Ashok ji, I'm so sorry if you are facing some difficulties with your withdrawal. Just connect with the support team. Drop an email to support-hi or support-en@olymptrade.com. You can send it to any one of them, and then they will be taking care of that one. Make sure when you will be dropping an email, everything is visible. Like you have mentioned everything, like, sir, this is the amount I have made a withdrawal on this date and I haven't received that one. They will be taking care of that. First thing. Second thing, whenever you are communicating with support team, make sure you talk about everything in the same trade. Don't keep on generating different trails, because sometimes what exactly will happen, so in one trail you will say that, sir, I haven't received my deposit. In the second trail you will send your bank statement, then how they will relate. So make sure you use, like, click on reply all and then send it. Okay, so I can see that there are so many comments, so let me try. Okay, so Ashok ji was the last one. Bro, your and ours said hi. Hello, Black Darkness. I hope you are doing good. Sir, I received the withdrawal as a refund in my bank card, not the profit, only the deposited amount. Why? I'm not sure, like, what's the reason. Just connect with the support team. Abdulji, I'm not able to understand that what exactly, like, whether you how much withdrawal you have made and how much you have received. Just connect with the support team. Rajbir ji, TP setting, take profit setting. Okay, see, Rajbir ji, the easiest way, like how much you want to make in 7 days, 15 days or 30 days, whatever is your target, divide it with the number of days, and then that is going to be your take profit. Now make sure when you are aligning a take profit, that should be realistic also. It should not be like that I am ready to make a deposit of 700 but my take profit is 2 lakh in 7 days. It should be aligned enough. Like I want to make, it's like for an example, like I want to make 50,000 in one week. So my take profit is going to be somewhere around 7,200 and my stop loss is going to be somewhere around 5,600 to 6,000. So that's how the rough calculation goes. Okay, Parin, no worries, you are most welcome. Okay, I am opening same trades you, but the market yours, mine is not same. Why? Black Darkness, this is, I have already explained that the even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So that is the reason that they, like you might be observing that your chart is a bit ahead from my visible chart. The reason, because if I will be stating anything right away, that will be broadcasted to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute, and you can relate it by the chart visible on your screen. Just open USD JPY, just check. Like for me right away it is like 40 seconds still available for the completion of candle. Now check in your platform also how much time is pending. You will be having more, so you will be able to correlate. Okay, that is the reason that I am suggesting don't try to do some copy trading. Okay, because I'm doing same trade as you. Is your no? Okay, bro, can you say this live market or edited market? No, it's live market, but there is a telecast cap, buddy. And this is I am explaining this thing in every session. Okay, if I have a total balance of 10k in my Olymptrade, then what should be my daily profit target? Now, Weber, understand one thing: how much you want to make. Now, some traders, they have a mindset that, sir, if I am every day I'm getting 1500 to 2000, I am happy with that. Some traders have an obligation that I need that much money by the end of this month. There is a birthday, there is a celebration, anything is there, or like I need to recover my previous loss. So you need to analyze as per that. Like if you just talk about a roughly example, so 10k you can consider 2500 to 3000 in a day. That should be your take profit. Stop loss, that should be enough to 2000. The reason behind, so if 10k is there, so that will be your capital for next 5 days. Now, even though, for an example, your take profit is 3000, your stop loss is 2000, and that is your capital for next 5 days. Out of 5, 3 days were losses, 2 days were profit only. So 3 into 2, that is going to be 6000. 2 into 3, that is going to be 6000. So you made a profit of 6000, you made a loss of 6000. So at the end of that 5th day, again you will be having 10k in your capital, which is safe and secure, which you can use for further. And that's how exactly you are supposed to work. When you are making money, make as much possible. When you are losing money, lose as minimum you can. Sir, can't see Millennium and other strategy. Can you place both strategies at the same time? Sir, can't see Millennium and other strategies. So see, Bhushan Pawarji, I have used Millennium strategy, and then along with that I have just applied the stochastic. So this is the strategy, this is the additional which I have applied. It's not required at all that you have to use it. That is going to be completely depending on you. Like in this starting of the session, I was just conveyed that I will try to make this strategy a bit customized so that you will be getting some another confirmation. So that is the reason that I have. So you don't no need to apply both the strategy altogether. You will not be able to do that. So once you will apply Millennium, then click on technical analysis, go to add more tools. So a screen is going to be like this one. Just apply stochastic and then click. That's it. You might be doing one thing that you are clicking on one strategy and then you are applying the second strategy. So the first one is getting disappeared. Okay, so Pandeji also answered Web's question, so you can follow this one also, 5% only. But if you talk about the 5% of that one, so that is going to be somewhere around 500. So if 500 is enough, that is also fine. But with 500, there is one issue. So as we have talked about, that the stop loss should be lesser than that one. So then that will bound you with a very small window to trade, because if your take profit is 500. Your stop loss is 300, then how many trades you will be able to take? Somewhere around 4 trades only. And if there is any volatility in the market, how you are going to survive? So make sure that you have a enough window also to trade. 1000 invest mention, can I make 10k in a day? See, Anis Park, if you are going to invest 1000 rupees and you want to make 10,000 in a day, then you need to do couple of things. You need to stick to your trade plan. You need to invest a lot of time, because if you will state that Kunal, I will take first trade with 500, second trade with 500, I will make it 1800, then I will keep on compounding my amount, then in case if everything is going fine, good to see. But just for an example, you made 18, in next trade again you invested 900, trade went positive, again you increase the capital. But if any one trade will go negative, that is going to wipe out majority of your capital, and then that will create some pressure on your mind, and that will lead to some revenge trading, and that is something which you should avoid. Okay. Then can I Samarth 1 lakh कितना मिलेगा? Samarth, I didn't got your comment. Can you just explain it a bit more? Bro, trade 2 please, cause I have lost 3 trades copying you. Black darkness, I have already mentioned you, please avoid doing copy trading, because you can observe my result also. I have made a few losses also, so this is something which you should focus as well. Just learn the strategy so that you will be able to use it after the session, and once you will grab hold on any strategy, it's not like that you will just directly take it to your live account. Make sure you use it on your demo account. First you learn it, explore it, practice it, then take it to your live. Okay, so yeah, so I was talking about volume. Let's have a look on volume indicator also. Yeah, so now currently the volume is for the downward direction, and you can see that the bar of red candles is quite high as compared to the green one. So this is something which you can also pick while using any like this strategy. Okay, now see, market is moving in the upward direction. DPO is also indicating market can move upward, but the volume is quite lesser as compared to these bars. So that is indicating that the market can switch the direction to the downward. So the set of rule which I have shared, that when the DPO length is maximum, you can try to pick open a trade. Now if the volume is very less, you can avoid doing that. So this is how you can use different technicals to work on your skill set. You can work on your accuracy, or you can just try to grab a hold on the confirmations. Okay, so let me take a few. It's not live, Bhushan, pre-recorded. Bhushan, now then tell me one thing. If it is pre-recorded, then how come I am checking your comments also and I am talking about this one? Okay. Let me take a few more comments. And I'm just looking forward for at least one opportunity. And you can observe one more thing. So let me show you. So this is the trade, time, date, everything is visible here. Okay, this is the last trade which I have taken. And now when I will be opening any trade, I will show you show it again. Okay, so market is trying to move in the upward direction. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the trade I have just opened. So you can check date, time, seconds, everything is there. And that's how you can also relate that how much the time gap is there. So the trade which I have opened somewhere around 7:17:55 seconds, and if I'll check current time, so it is showing somewhere around 7:18. So there is a time gap, telecast gap. Okay, so Parin is asking. Okay, so many comments. Where is it? Okay, so Parin just saying a big thank you. Just listening this channel is helping to refine my trades, and at the same time trying different ideas. Karin, I am glad to see that you like today's session, you like the conversation, and if you're more eager to learn about more technicals and strategies, make sure you subscribe it, because every now and then we are coming live on this channel, and this is for everyone. Before winding up this conversation, make sure you understand about this thing, that try to spend some time, try to invest some time. Trading is not only about investing money, and that is the reason that I am always used to say that keep learning, keep earning, because you have to learn first, then you will be able to earn something. Just said hi, Spooky Death Lead, hello. Black darkness, I have told you this thing multiple times. Please avoid doing a copy trading, that can lead to some negative results. Please buddy, try to focus on this thing, try to understand that thing. You have observed also that I have shared my screen, I have showed you the chart time frame, trade time as well. Then there is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute, and that, like, even though a 5 to 10 second delay can also create a loss. Even though if I want to make it live, I will not be able to, because there is a telecast gap. Okay, why all these people talking about withdrawal, I'm not sure. Right in live we are learning not having withdraw deposit session. We want to learn. You gave always talking about deposit. This is, I am always used to say that this session is basically focused on trading. For any deposit withdrawal verification account related concern traders, I am repeating it again, support-en@olymptrade.com, and you will be getting all the required help. So I will be use the time gap. Thanks bro. See, that is completely up to you, but I'll suggest just learn the strategy and then try to bro make trade. Suresh, I am trying to grab different opportunities wherever I am getting. Himanshi Dagurji, I'm so sorry, today's conversation is basically for the English speaking community. If you're more comfortable with Hindi, Tuesday Thursday in Hindi, same channel, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we are coming live there. Okay, so I request you just connect at that time. And oscillator detrended. Yeah, so Gaurav, we are using DPO. Along with that, we are also using high Kanashi candles. We are not using Japanese. If you want to use Japanese, you can, but you will not be getting the second confirmation with the color of the candle. So you can pick price action along with DPO. That is also fine. Just 16 second, bro. I got you. Thanks a lot. Perfect. So at least you try to conclude that there is a telecast cap. Okay. Zara Hussain ji, there are no such strategies like which is best for you or which is worst for you. Strategies are like a medicine. Something which is working for you that might not work for me. Something which is working for me that might not work for you. So you need to practice it. You need to learn it. You need to spend some time on your demo account, and then you will be able to conclude that which one is working for you and which one is not. And using this that on demo account, that doesn't mean that you will open 10 trades and then you will conclude, no, this is not working for me or this is the best strategy. Open minimum 100 trades. I know it is going to take some time, or some traders might be stating that, no sir, I don't have that much time to spend on demo account. Then you can do one thing, use minimum amount like $1 only to practice on your live account. But the best I'll suggest, try to use it on your demo only. Can operator change the result? Please answer honestly. Zara Hussain ji, let me show you one thing. So, okay, so the Ethereum trade was negative. Whichever the result you are going to observe, so you can check it on chart. You can also check the quotes. At the same time, once you open the quote history, so you will be able to check quotes for every specific second or whenever the quotes are getting published. There is a third party certification also, which can be checked also. And now some traders might be stating that, sir, like this could be different in different accounts. So that is something which you can check in any person's accounts. Just open that account, put the specific date, time, and you will be able to find these quotes, and these are going to be exactly same. And now one more thing, Zara ji, understand one thing. We are conducting these sessions, we are spending so much efforts, we are spending so much time, so much like resources on that one. Apart from that, we are also providing one more service. Let me just give you a quick insight about that one. So once you reached on expert level, so like me, we have a team of financial analysts, like which we call a VIP team. So we have a lot of financial analysts, those who are going to conduct the sessions with you. Each session is going to be for 25 to 30 minutes, where we will be connecting with you on a Zoom call. We will be sharing our screen, talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, and we will be guiding you to improve your trading results. Now the best part of these sessions, whether you're going to take a 1 session or 1000, all these sessions are going to be free. No need to pay anything ever to any. And if you are taking some session, there are no such obligation also that you have to use this strategy. That is going to be completely up to you. So for now, this service is only available for expert level. So if you are on advanced level, you can take 1 session in a month. And those traders, those who are only on starter level, so try to improve your status on the platform, so you will be able to grab a hold on that one. For that one, all you just need to make sure that your contact number should be updated on the platform. In case if you are not able to update your contact number, or you received the call that moved to spam, or you saw that you are receiving a call from +44 number, +44, this is the number from majority of time we are calling from, so that went to spam, or you just missed the call, or you just disconnected, make sure whenever you will be receiving the call next time, make sure you attend it. And at the same time, you can do one more thing, just connect with the support team, share your contact number with them. Please avoid sharing details, personal details in the comment section. Just share your details with the support team. Tell them, sir, I need some help in trading, please raise a callback request. This is basically for expert level or advanced level. So once you will raise this request, that request will come to my department. Someone from my department, either me or someone, will come into the picture, and we will line up your session. And again, I'm repeating, whether you are going to take one session, 1000, all sessions are going to be free. No need to pay anything ever to anyone. So there is no like registration, commission, anything. There is nothing, no charges at all. So if anybody is asking you to pay something, make sure that call is not from us. So I am sure that I have answered your question, because if we are spending so much time so that you will be able to grow your capital, then of course there should be some reason also. And if you want to know about that also, you can ask your analyst, so they will be explaining everything. Sir, randomly candle change हो जाती है green से red, इसका solution तो कोई बताइए. See, Mohammed ji, there is nothing like which is a random. Data is floating into the market. So many things are happening in the market. Buyers are trying to push the market in a specific direction. Sellers are trying to push the market in a specific direction. So that's how the market moves. So if any fundamental information is there, that also affects. So you need to understand that what exactly is there, and then you will be able to understand that why suddenly there was a red candle, why suddenly there was a green candle. Nisar ji, I am sad to know about that, but make sure you spend some time, learn about it, then conclude that why you are making some losses. Dheeraj is saying, hi sir, any promo code? Dheeraj ji, once you when you will click on deposit button, so if any specific on pay bonus or any bonus code is available, so that will be visible to you. You can pick that. Okay, so traders, I hope I have covered all the comments, whatever the doubts you were having, but in case if I have skipped something, if I have missed something, I'm so sorry for that. I'll try my best to cover them in the upcoming session. And before concluding today's conversation, again requesting you, whatever the technicals you have learned, make sure you learn, apply it on your demo account first. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, take it to your live account. Okay, and again I am mentioning one thing, trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you invest enough time to learn about the market so that you will be able to grow your capital. Okay, and whenever the market is going in your favor, it's not like that. If 4 trades were positive, the 5th is also going to be positive. So considering that thing, do not invest a huge capital. Okay, so thank you so much traders, thank you so much for your comments, your doubts, your questions, your queries, for such an interactive session. That was, that was very nice to talk to you. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Keep learning, keep earning, take care, bye bye, cheers. That was your host, your buddy, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Take care, bye bye, cheers, and happy weekend.